Hi everybody, Andy here with eTrailer.com. Let's take a look at this Coleman-Mach Signature Mach 15 15,000 BTU ducted RV air conditioner system with this textured white cover. Now, as you probably know, one of the biggest headaches in RV repairs is figuring out which parts are compatible with each other, but this kit is going to take all that off of your plate. This rooftop unit includes this air distribution box and thermostat that are all designed to work together. So the installation is going to be smoother and the setup is going to be more reliable. Now, whether you're doing the install yourself or you're paying someone else to do it, having everything in one kit is going to make the process a lot faster and a lot less stressful. So this is made for RVs with ducted air, and with 15,000 BTUs of cooling power, the system is going to move air through your ceiling ducts to cool those larger RVs or drop the temperature down a whole lot faster in smaller RVs or campers. So you're going to feel the temperature shift within minutes, not hours, and your RV or camper is going to stay comfortable even in the middle of the summer. Inside of this unit, there are large coils and airflow boosting fins that's going to help pull heat out efficiently, so your RV is going to stay cooler with less strain on the system. So you're going to walk in and that air is going to feel dry, cool, and breathable, and your sleep is going to be a lot better as well. This cover, as I mentioned, is textured, so I think it's going to hold up really well for you. I think it's going to do a great job of protecting those internal components from water, dirt, debris, and things like that. So talking measurements, looking at the overall length of our unit end to end, about 39 inches long. The overall width, about 26 inches wide. And this is considered like a mid-profile air conditioner, so it's about 13 and a half inches tall. And this is going to work with opening sizes on your roofs that are 14 and a quarter inches long by 14 and a quarter inches wide. This unit itself weighs about 80 or so pounds. And then moving over to this side of the table, giving you a closer look here, this does include an air distribution box that's going to give you direct or ducted airflow. So you'll open up the louvers here for cool air straight down into the cabin, and then you'll close them to push that air through your existing ducts in your unit. And these easy reach grills are going to pop open so you can remove and rinse out the washable filters. That's going to help keep the air moving more efficiently. And this has a low profile design. Let me actually go ahead and just kind of show you here. So kind of like this is what it's going to look like on your ceiling. So you can see it's really not going to stick down far from the ceiling. It's probably going to stick down about 1.5 inches or so. And just giving you some other measurements while we're talking measurements, the overall length is going to be right at 20 inches. The overall width is going to be 19 inches. Hardware is included along with this control box, as you can see here. So you're going to get what you need here to get this installed into place, along with the wiring and the bolts to get the air conditioner mounted and connected to the air distribution box. And then talking about other things that are included, you are going to get this thermostat. This features easy temperature control. This simple digital thermostat is going to let you adjust the settings on this air conditioner. It has a clear backlit display. The screen is going to be easy to read day or night, so you're not going to be fumbling with buttons in the dark. And just so you have a good idea of the size of this thermostat, this is about 4 inches tall, 2.5 inches wide, and about 1 inch thick. Now, something I wanted to let you know about this system is this is not going to be backwards compatible with any air conditioner system from 2024 and earlier due to the new R32 refrigerant that this air conditioner has to meet the 2025 EPA regulations. So that's why getting a kit like this is going to be great, because all of the pieces here are designed to work with this R32 refrigerant. So if you have any other components that you currently have that are not compliant with the R32 refrigerant, that will not be compatible with this system. This system will not be backwards compatible, just so you're aware of that. I do also want to let you know that you can pick up a heat strip separately that's going to install in this unit. That's just going to help take the edge off of the cooler mornings It's not a replacement for your furnace, but just something additional to just take the coolness out of the air if it's not cold enough for your furnace. So if that's something you're interested in, I am including the item number there. You can just take the item number, pop it in the search field of our website. That will take you to that heat strip, and you can add that to your order if you so desire. Now, if you happen to have any other additional questions about this system or any other systems that we carry, don't hesitate to reach back out to us. We do want to be sure that you're getting exactly what you want and need. Well, I think that's going to wrap up our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.